Well, I'm back and I just spoke to Richa, and I'm just going to be sending her a request to come on live with us. And hello,
You have to go live and then send me a request or
I did go live and I was looking out for you. Anyways, I'm learning new things every day.
Yeah, now this whole thing that we're doing now in this time is learning new things. How are you?
I'm okay. How are you? You've been entertaining us with Quarantina.
Quarantina. Yeah, I love that cookie character. I wanted to do something fun, because everyone's so depressed and rightfully so. But अभी जब तक जिंदा है तब तक हंसेंगे और क्या करेंगे.
हाँ, आज अच्छा था वैसे आपका, नहीं कल वाला आपका बुलेटिन अच्छा था with टीना सिंह, right?
Tina Singh, yeah. I'm just going to keep adding characters onto this now.
So what is that one thing that has entertained you during this very tough times, as you're also trying to look for humor?
I watch, honestly, in the first few days, like everybody else, I must have watched like Contagion and Pandemic and things like that. But now I'm watching mostly comedies, and that keeps me in a good mood. I'm also trying to create comic content for other people, just to alleviate some stress. And I meditate, yeah, every day. This quarantine is going to make a yogi out of me.
Is there something new meditation in you?
I mean, I know how to meditate and I've done it as a kid a lot, but the frequency and the consistency with which I'm doing it now is quite nice. And it's actually, see, my skin is glowing. It's damn nice.
But how is self-isolation and the social distancing that's treating you?
I'm a homebody. Honestly, I don't mind it. I always used to complain that I've set up my house and it's so pretty, but I don't get the time to spend in it. So I'm quite happy with the social distancing and all that. But I mean, the only thing that I'm really sad about is actually your industry. The news, when I see it, it's so toxic and scary. That's the only thing I worry about.
See, that's why we also have good vibes with good times also. So we are also here.
Yeah, that's why I thought I'll do funny news. You can also send me funny news, yeah. I'll cover it.
Funny news, the only funniest thing that I saw was that lady with that bartan thing saying, go Corona, go Corona. That was the funniest thing. And I keep watching her just to entertain me.
I think we must thank the COVIDiots for this like little respites of humor. COVIDiot, इतना बढ़िया नाम जिसने भी सोचा है, is COVIDiot. And did you see somebody wrote on that day when people were bursting crackers and gathering on the roads, even though the Pradhan Mantri clearly said don't go out and don't do this, don't make noise or whatever, just light a simple diya. People went out on the roads.
Yeah.
And I read a social media comment which really made me laugh. It was like, Happy Diwala. Happy Diwala. It's true, man. Everything's come to a standstill. What do you do?
Which is so true. And also, I mean, we were looking forward to your and Ali's wedding pictures. That also, I mean.
I know, but a small price to pay for what's happening in the world right now. I think whenever it's meant to, it will happen. Now, this is putting everything in, the moments like this, I'm really glad we didn't do that whole Muhurat and Kundali and whatever. Yeah. Because had we done that, I would have been even more skeptical about these things, because who knows what's going to happen, man. Now, who knows how long we're going to be indoors or what we're going to do.
Which is true. And also you put up a post this morning, since it's World Health Day also, about anxiety. Mental health is also an issue, because even the most cheerful and happy person is also going through a lot of crap in their head, because you don't know when will it end. Yeah. Will it end?
Well, it will end. Everything ends. Everything ends, and this too shall pass. But I honestly do want to encourage people to meditate and just center themselves, because what happens is that modern living has gotten us so addicted to trying to do things fast or being busy all the time. Like in the first 1 week, it was really hard for me also. If I sat down and I was just watching something or just relaxing, I'd be like, oh my God, I have to do something. I have to achieve this. I have to And then I realized that it's not about racing, and that's part of the problem. The way the human race has been living has also been part of the problem. I mean, the one thing I will miss once this lockdown is over is how clear the skies are and how beautiful the bird song is right now. So I think we have to now, I hope that our race really learns from this, and we are able to become uh, less consumeristic.
And also your fans are writing कि हमसे भी बात कर लो, hi, then somebody said hi.
Hi. हमसे भी
Hi.
बात. Sheetal Singh, makeup artist, says,
Somebody said hi, Bholi ji.
how are you, ma'am? I'm very good, Sandeep Sharma. How are you? Bholi Punjabi. Hi, Richa. Hi, Vivek Varshni.
Bholi
Assalam.
Punjabi naam will never leave you. You'll always be Bholi Punjabi.
I know, man. I think
कुछ भी कर लो भोली
Punjabi
पंजाबी,
also.
जितने पंगे भी ले लो भोली पंजाबी.
what will I do differently after lockdown? Someone's asking. Well, I really hope that there is a change in the industry. I was watching a news report, I think on your channel only, where a bunch of corporate people said this is teaching us that even if you work from home, you can be very productive and things like that. So I'm hoping that there is a sense of that, like you can work from home and be productive. You don't need to be in endless meetings. Everything can happen now thanks to technology and the internet, remotely also. And imagine if so many people stopped going to work every day and instead went only on alternate days, or it would be like odd even. There would be no traffic, less pollution. Who knows, this could bring some really serious changes, and I hope it does.
And what about your industry? What is the change? Because this is the first time one has seen the film industry has also shut down, because it never does. Whatever may happen, cinema goes on.
Yeah, well, the show must go on, but abhi to everything is shut. I saw this morning the short film that Bachchan Saab and Mammootty everybody did to cine workers, because we actually have a lot of people don't realize there's a lot of daily wages in the film industry. Lightmen, spot boys, grips guys. What they do is they work like Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, they'll work and they'll collect cash on Wednesday and go home. And now no shootings are happening. So it's a really challenging time, and we have to take care of people from our own fraternity as well as like in general at large. But the thing I keep saying to people is not to get overwhelmed ki somebody wrote to me कि अक्षय कुमार भी 25 करोड़ आपने क्यों नहीं दिया. अरे भाई मेरे पास नहीं है 25 करोड़ देने के लिए. Get real. But it's not about how many crores you're giving or feeling intimidated, or it's not a competition. So what you do is, I vowed to support 4 families entirely through this lockdown,
Wow.
however long it lasts. And I keep doing the normal stuff that I do, like we are just bought like a whole truck full of ration, not a truck but a lot of ration, going to donate it to the Gurdwara, because they the local Gurdwara here in Versova, they said they will not accept cash and they will take only donations in kind. So everybody can do that, everybody can do a little bit, and I think that will really help.
Which is true. And also animals. There are some stupid people are also abandoning their pets, thinking,
Oh
and
my
their
God.
animals with masks that have been abandoned. Exactly, agree with you.
Yeah. Well, the thing is that I have 2 cats, they're somewhere, but you can't get this from animals. I mean, I think there's a lot of... See, I feel like a lot of people have used this virus as an excuse to be complete douches. But I just want to say that if this virus is bringing out the worst in you, you were always like this. You were always racist, you were always communal, you were always classist. And you had no empathy to begin with, because a microorganism can't change you so much. But I mean, just people using this time to be hateful, to be racist towards people from northeast of India, is just appalling, yaar. This is 2020. And on the other hand, I find a lot of civic society people doing amazing things, like donating food, making food trucks, getting ration together, doing donations. Even companies like Zomato, everybody's put initiatives in place. So that's a great thing.
And also, other than that, as you said, people being racist and all, Twitter also, I mean, the troll universe still hasn't calmed down.
Yeah.
at all. But do you think there should be a quarantine from, say, internet also?
यार वो ऑलरेडी बीमार लोग हैं, the ones who are trolling for 2 rupees and 10 rupees, उनका क्या ध्यान देना? They're already गरीब, बीमार, बेकार. I always think of them like on the, क्या होता है, if you go to a village, you see like a person in tattered clothes with matted hair, with drool coming out, sitting at the edge of the village, जो सबको गाली दे रहा है, पत्थर मार रहा है. What do you do to that person? You give that person a loaf of bread and a glass of water, and you're like, you just lie down in your kambal and just shut up and stay quiet. I think that's how I treat trolls.
Somebody's written to us saying you both have lost it. Okay, bye. We'll find it soon.
Huh?
Somebody's written to us saying you both have lost it. I was like, okay, another troll.
That's what I'm saying. He has taken, this loser, whoever wrote that we have lost it, has taken the time to join this chat and write a comment. What an effing loser. If he thinks that we have lost it, why are you logged in? Just go away. We don't need it.
It's true. Anyway, one of your fans has asked about the biopic you were doing.
Thanks, guys, about that. We were supposed to release on the 5th of June. And I'm very sad that it's been shifted, but a very small price to pay. लोगों को बहुत तकलीफ हो रही है. So if the releases of my films are going to be moved ahead, I'm okay. I will survive, and I'm really grateful. Just everybody should be grateful, yaar, Pooja, at this time, that you have a roof on your head and you have like decent amount of savings to live on, or you have people taking care of you. You have food in your belly. आसपास देखो यार क्या हाल हो रहा है लोगों का पूरी दुनिया में, not just in India. It's awful. So I think the most important thing to do is to be grateful and to be loving at this time.
And what is this time like for an actor? Solitude like for an actor?
What solitude? I do jhadu pocha, katta bartan.
And you're cooking also.
Cooking to I hate cooking. My food turns out amazing, but I'm not one of those master chef people who will be like, tastes very nice. No, I hate it. It just turns out correctly because I understand good food and I like to taste good food, but that was my brother. Well, yeah. Did you see him just cross?
I did. He was the one who took your picture.
Oh God, that was hilarious. Lots of comments. Say hi, please. Hi, please. Hi, Chanam. Hi. Lots of people are doing angutha. What your cat eat? My cat eat cat food. Chand Kuthaki really need corona massage at moment. What is a corona massage?
I don't know what is a corona massage either.
भाई आप ट्राई कर लो ना पहले, फिर हमें बता देना कैसा होता है.
Corona massage. What is that one thing you will do once the lockdown is over? First thing.
If it's over and if it's safe to move around and if it's hot like in India, we're hoping आधे महीने में. I've never wanted the summer to come so soon, so badly. I hope the summer comes soon that I can go and visit my folks in Delhi because I haven't seen them in a long time.
Yeah.
I think I saw them last in Jan or Feb or something. And I wish I knew at the time that I wouldn't be able to meet them for a while. So I'm dying to go and see them. That's the first thing I'll do.
अभी किसी ने ये पूछा आप और अली कर क्या रहे हो? अली क्या कर रहा है? अली तो बैटमैन बन के घूम रहा था लास्ट.
अली अपने घर में है. Where in the world? Saying show you around. Guys, this is my house. This is as much as I'm prepared to show you around right now. क्योंकि मैंने
wow, lovely. I love the painting.
Thank you. That's my bookshelf in the back. That's the chair, table, lamp, blah blah. This is a cushion behind me. This is my leg. This is my face. और थोड़ा और साफ हो जाएगा थोड़ी देर बाद तो फिर मैं आपको पूरा दिखा दूंगी.
तो अली अपने घर में ठीक तरह से मैनेज कर रहा है. Can he cook or he is like, or is he a better cook?
Ali actually really enjoys cooking, so we are lucky that way that at least one person likes it. He even bakes and all. Yeah, he's a Renaissance man. He's really good. I think he's managing to do a good job with this quarantine. But we haven't met in a long time.
Yeah, I know.
It's just Bandra and Andheri, but I haven't seen him for since the 18th of March.
Oh my God.
Yeah.
So what recommendations can you give us? What are you watching? What should we do?
Well, first thing I recommend is what I wrote on my post this morning, and I really mean it very sincerely and seriously. Everybody should get up and do some kind of breathing exercises. You can do some pranayam, or I put a link there. If you do pranayam, it's great for the like the lungs, for your throat. See, this is a respiratory disease. So अगर आप अपनी नाक और lungs और गला और सब साफ रखेंगे, then you have good immunity, good chances of surviving healthily in this time without any trouble. Don't smoke, obviously, goes without saying. Exercise every day. Exercise will do two things. One, it'll build up your immunity, and second thing it'll do is it'll raise the temperature of your body. So even if you're contracting the virus, it will not survive in more than 35 degrees. So if you do even twice a day, if you do like 50 jumping jacks or 10 jumping jacks, just raise your body temperature, sweat, you're good. This is one very important thing that a doctor told me. One day I was feeling like I had an itch in my throat. He said, just do saltwater gargles or like Listerine gargles, jo mouthwash hota hai, it has a high concentration of alcohol. Just do that and exercise, be in the sun. These are the things you can do. So the 2 days that I was feeling like I had a twitch in my throat, I just went down into the colony, in the building complex, and just took some sun, and I was fine.
And what are you watching? Anything interesting? Binge watching?
I'm watching. I've watched this show called Avatar 5. Then it's about a futuristic space cruise that happened. It's a dark comedy. I'm watching The Newsroom now, which I never watched before, which I thoroughly like. It's amazing. Of course, the classics are always there, like The Office or Curb Your Enthusiasm. I like that kind of comedy, so I'm watching those also. And what else am I watching? Yeah, and I watch films every now and then. The last film I saw was the Death of Stalin.
Okay.
So it's a fun, like quick watch, 90-minute to 2-hour film. It just, I think, released on Netflix. So yeah, I'm trying to catch up on a lot of things that I missed. I have a whole list of even Bollywood films that I missed that I'm going to get to now.
Awesome. Thank you so much. So one thing good about this quarantine that you will take back with you?
I think the best thing for me and for a lot of people would be that this pause that has been enforced on us is you can witness for yourself what it is doing for nature. I love people sharing images of deer in Chennai and rhinos in Nepal and dolphins near Bombay and peacocks in Delhi. It just goes to show. Hey, my own cat has come now. Jugni.
Oh, where's she? What's she called?
She's called Jugni.
Jugni.
If I move, the frame will move. So I'll get her for you. I was saying that everyone's sharing these things about clear blue skies. These are the things I think we'll all miss, and it's time to really evaluate how we can use this opportunity to really learn and grow and become better citizens for the planet. Otherwise, though, this is just the beginning. I feel like we'll have a lot more viruses if we don't take care of our habitat.
Totally. A lot of people complimenting your skin. आपकी skin बहुत अच्छी लग रही है. कौन सी cream
Thank
use
you,
कर रहे हो?
guys. I know my skin that's without makeup. I want to say that अच्छी skin के लिए रोज व्यायाम करिए और meditation करिए और प्राणायाम करिए. And I'm vegan, so you can try that also. That's also really good. As you know, एक चमगादड़ पूरी human race को COVID बना सकता है.
सही में.
So not to be racist or anything, eat what you want, just be hygienic and be kind and live and let live.
And somebody's written, loved your character in Panga. Actually, I did so too. And I couldn't meet you, but you were fabulous. You were you. I mean, that's what I felt. You were you.
Oh, really? That's not a good thing.
No, you were nice. You were nice, feisty and nice.
I was me.
That kind of vibe.
Anyway, so yeah. The phone went away for 2 minutes. I'm just going to try and find my cat for you. 1 second.
Okay.
Johnny. Are you about done? I want to show you.
Yeah, please do. Somebody's also written you are a legend. Richa is a legend.
I'm a legend. Thanks. I am legend. I hope the film सही ना हो जाए. I'm going to turn this around and show you Jugni.
Okay.
Jugni Chatta?
Oh, yeah,
What's
Baba.
going
So sweet. How pretty is she?
She's very pretty. Wow, who is this cutie pie? So this is what I also do. Like, see, I'm growing some amazing dhania here. Can you see?
Yes.
This is chiku, and this
Wow.
is DC, and that's my view. So I'm not joking when I say that I'm observing how clear the skies are, because literally you can see a big visible difference. So yeah, I'm gonna go now.
Okay, thank you so much. Stay safe.
Yes.
Bye. Thank you so much for joining us.
Bye. Thanks.
Bye. Looking forward to the next episode of Quarantina.
See you. Bye.
Bye. Bye.